Hello friends, welcome to JDBC Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10. For those who doesn't know what is VirtualBox, let me explain for those people. VirtualBox is a general purpose virtualization tool that allows you to easily run multiple guest operating system on single host. So here my host operating system is Windows 10 and I would like to run some kind of Linux operating system on my host machine, right? And that's the reason I'm going to install VirtualBox. Oracle provides a completely free and open source tool for this that is called VirtualBox. So just go to the Google and try to type VirtualBox and click on the search button. Then you'll get the very first link which is provided by the Oracle. Just click on this, and once you click on this, then here directly you can get the download links, or what you can do, you can click on the downloads. Then you'll get this kind of page. Here VirtualBox, what I'm going to download for Windows host. So just click on the Windows and download will be started. So file size, it's a executable file for Windows, and file size is 103 megabytes. So as I have already downloaded this executable file, so I'm going to cancel it, and here I have already downloaded it. So just twice click on this executable file. Once you twice click on the executable file, then this welcome window will be opened, right? Then just click on the next, right? And here you can see location where my VirtualBox is going to install, right? If you want, you can change. Just click on the browse and you can change it. I'm just keeping the default location and going to click on the next again, right? Keep everything as it is and click on the next, and again finally click on the next. Again click on the install, and install process will be started. Just allows them to install. So just I'm going to click on yes, and here you can see installation process has started. This will take just few minutes. Now one pop-up comes out and saying that this will ask you to basically allow to install some device related software. So just click on the install, and now you can see installation process has completed. And here just I can click on the finish, and here if you check this box, start Oracle VM virtual machine, then this will launch the virtual machine as well. Just I'm going to click on finish, and this will launch the virtual machine as well. So here you can see this virtual machine look like this. So accidentally if you close it, then definitely one short icon will be created, shortcut icon will be created on your DOS desktop. So just click on this and you can open it.